Hello. So, for my research project, I basically worked around family dynamics, and my name is Rachel Delaney. So, for my topic covers family dynamics and how that may impact your life in later years. I focused mainly on how family dynamics may influence personal or professional goals, and also if family dynamics may influence your future career choice. And I strictly kind of linked it to child related fields. The reason I was so interested in this topic and child related fields as well is because I come from a blended family. But growing up, my parents were divorced and did not remarry till I was older. And I realized how much my family dynamics have really influenced my career choice on wanting to be in a child related field. And I wanted to see how many others may have had similar situations or been impacted the way that I was. So, research says that parents, peers, and teachers have the greatest influence on students' career paths, which brought me to wonder how much my family dynamics have influenced my choice as my career. Um, after further research, I also found that family dynamics alone is one of the biggest influences on college students' career choice, which was right up my alley and kind of brought me to my research questions. So, my two questions that I chose were: what influences does an undergraduate college student's family dynamic have on their decision to pursue a career in a child related field? My second question is: in what ways does family dynamics influence personal and professional goals of undergraduate college students? So, during some of my findings and after kind of trying to put everything all together, an article that I found stated that family dynamics is one of the biggest things that influences a person on their career self efficiency, career indecision, and vocational identity. This article supported my research like a lot because the study was taken on strictly undergraduate students, which is what I was hoping to do. And it investigated the impact of family of origin relationships and career path. So that basically just says that, like, the family of origin and their family dynamics, the type of relationship that that had on later career paths, which is like exactly what I was looking for. Another finding that I thought found to be very helpful was actually a cross sectional study. It was mainly focused on women of color and why they chose the career paths that they did. And that was found that their paths are based off of purpose and meaning, which I thought was super interesting because that kind of relates back to their history and their home lives and their family dynamics. So that was really great for my study because it went right along with that child and family development career path, which is kind of also why I chose it. So the approach that I took for this research was a quantitative methodology. This was chosen because I really wanted to focus on numerical data and the specific problem. So the instrument that I used was a survey, and that was made for strictly undergraduate students. I mentioned that a little earlier, which is why that one article kind of went right along. But after asking permission, I will create the 5 to 7 question survey and give it to my targeted audience. And once that data is collected, I personally am going to put that in a own separate document so I can kind of re-record everything, kind of make it more organized for myself. And I will put together the results and relate it back to my research questions. So for my analysis, my data will be analyzed by finding percentages that will be done by collecting my results from the survey. The percentage being found will be what percentage of undergraduate students chose a childlike career based off of family dynamics, and another percentage that will be taken is the percentage of undergraduate college students that are influenced by family dynamics. So those percentages will be able to be completed once and answer my research questions. And then those are my references. That is all I have. Thank you.